Let's just cut across to the protest that we were bringing you the visuals of earlier. We are getting more dramatic visuals. People there, you can see, absolutely enraged by what is happening in Bangladesh right now. The reports of atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh, people out on the streets, enraged by Mohammed Yunus Mohammed Yunus's silence on this entire matter. This is in the aftermath of the lynching of Deepu Chandra Das in Bangladesh. The man who was lynched on false allegations, were given to understand, of blasphemy. For more on this, we have Akash with us, who's been bringing us all the updates from these protests. Akash, what is going on right now? The protests seem to be spiraling out of control there. What can you tell us?
Oh yes, I'm showing you the visuals right now from the St. Martin Marg, just a 500 meters short of the Bangladesh High Commission. The police, in fact, are struggling to maintain the second layer of barricading, and protesters, are somewhere trying to climb on these barricades, and they are trying to move ahead and, in fact, want to go towards Bangladesh High Commission. Vijay Rajesh Bharadwaj giving you these shots where you can see, in fact, the heavy police deployment and also the barricades where protesters are somewhere trying to convince the police personnel that they want to somewhere protest and register their protest, and that's the only intention. However, police is very clear that they won't let them ahead. In fact, we have the third layer of barricading as well. And I'm showing you the visuals that how police personnel are trying it very difficult to, in fact, maintain the second layer of barricading. Rajesh Bharadwaj also giving you the shots of the TTC bus that has been placed here to obstruct the particular traffic, also because of the fact that these are large in number. These protesters are large in number, and it is really becoming difficult for the Delhi police right now, but they are somewhere maintaining the second layer of barricading, and in fact there is a third layer of barricading. These protesters are very clear that they are against the atrocities against the Hindus that are happening in Bangladesh, and they want to protest against the Yunus government in Bangladesh, and that's the reason why, under the banner of Vishwa Hindu Parishad, they people have gathered here near Durgabai Deshmukh South Campus, very close to the High Commission of Bangladesh, protesting against the Yunus government. We are seeing, in fact, the activities since the 12th of December in Bangladesh, and in somewhere in reply to the sort of atrocities committed against the Hindus. These protesters have gathered here and are protesting today.
Right, we also have with us Siddhant Mishra. Siddhant, there we can see the visuals on our screens right now, dramatic visuals. Scuffles have broken out, it appears, between the protesters and the police personnel there. They are trying to barricade that area and stop the protesters from reaching the Bangladesh High Commission. Siddhant, what can you tell us?
Well, that's right. So protesters have broken the first layer of barricade, and in fact they marched 50 meters ahead towards the Bangladesh High Commission. In fact, I am reporting from this side of the road, and you could see the sea of people right there and being stopped by cops at the barricade. In fact, they did manage to break the second layer of the barricade, but immediately senior officials, cops intervened, and the barricades were again placed here. The protesters were requested by cops to move behind, and now the announcement is being made by Delhi police to stop here. They are requesting the protesters not to march ahead. Now, High Commission is more than 700 meters away from this place where protesters are protesting. There has been 3 to 4 layers of barricading, arranged by Delhi police on the route to Bangladesh High Commission, and they have still not entered the diplomatic enclave. So this time around, police will not let the protesters enter the diplomatic enclave. This is the last barricade where they have been stopped outside the diplomatic enclave. So once they did try to break this barricade, in fact it was broken also, but immediately senior officials intervened, and police personnel are present here in large numbers. Delhi police, the paramilitary forces, they all are present here in large numbers. Delhi police is fully prepared today. In fact, on both sides of the road, the police is deployed. Protesters are still attempting to break the second barricade. Now, Mohammed Yunus, hosh mein aao, Bangladesh Sarkar Murdabad, chants are being raised by the protesters. They are here to demand justice for the Hindu garment worker Deepu Chandra Das, and also the atrocities against the Hindu minorities and other minorities in Bangladesh. So massive protest going on in the national capital today against the government of Bangladesh, against the conduct of the interim government of Bangladesh. Back to you.
Right, absolutely, Siddhant. What we are seeing right now is utter chaos. In fact, of course, as you mentioned there, the protesters are clearly very agitated. They are demanding justice for Deepu Chandra Das as well, the man who was lynched in Bangladesh. Now, Siddhant, of course, we're given to understand that they want to reach the Bangladesh High Commission, something that the police will not allow them to do there. We can also see the visuals of the protesters snatching the barricades. In fact, Siddhant, if you could just tell us of the measures which are in place to stop the protesters, because right now from what we're seeing, the protests seem to be spiraling completely out of control.
Well, that's right. So adequate arrangement has been made by Delhi Police. In fact, the senior officials of Delhi Police are present here on ground. In fact, you could see that there is a massive Delhi Police deployment on both sides of the road. From the start of the diplomatic enclave till the Bangladesh High Commission, this entire area has been sanitized. This entire area has been cordoned off. There is no vehicular movement right now on on the roads of Chanakya Puri, especially on this route which goes towards the Bangladesh High Commission. And on my right, you can see sea of people. The protesters from Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal have gathered here in large numbers, protesting against the government of Bangladesh. In fact, they started from a metro station. They broke the first layer of barricade, started marching towards the second layer of barricade. So this is the second layer of barricade where we are reporting from. In fact, Akash is on the other side of the road, and you can see the senior officials are present there. The entire protest is being videographed also, because tomorrow Bangladesh may come up with some fresh allegations, claim, etc. So the entire event is being videographed. In fact, the cops are appealing to protesters not to march towards the High Commission, not to take law in their hands. In fact, now you could see the senior leaders from the protesters are also speaking to the protesters, requesting them not to march towards the High Commission. And now the protesters are chanting Hanuman Chalisa. So you know, people are angry. Protesters are angry over the atrocities against the Hindu community in Bangladesh. They are questioning the interim government of Bangladesh. They are questioning the conduct of the interim government of Bangladesh, and this entire campaign got reignited after the killing of Deepu Chandra Das, who was lynched by mob only 80 kilometers away from Dhaka. And in fact, initially there was no FIR registered in the matter. Only after the media coverage, media spotlight, Yunus government came in action. Only after Amnesty International raising the issue, Yunus government came in action, and 10 people have been arrested. So people are angry here in India over the conduct of the government of Bangladesh. But so far, this protest is going peacefully. Protesters are listening to the cops. Cops are coordinating with the leaders from Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal. Cops are requesting them not to take law in their hands. Their cops are allowing them to take out march, protest peacefully. We could also see placards. We could also see placards condemning Mohammad Yunus, boycott Bangladesh, Hinduओं का अपमान नहीं सहेगा Hindustan. These are the messages written on the placards being carried by the protesters. In fact, large number of people have gathered here at Chanakya Puri outside the diplomatic enclave. In fact, you could see right there, the message is all eyes on Bangladeshi Hindus. So very interesting placards are being carried, protesters are carrying right now, with a special message for Bangladesh, in solidarity with the Hindus of Bangladesh. Boycott Bangladesh. In fact, many placards holding Mohammad Yunus's picture saying boycott Bangladesh. So definitely unprecedented scenes on the streets of national capital where today people have come in large number to protest against the interim government of Bangladesh. Back to you.
Do stay on with us.